As a young adult, you have a huge advantage: time, okay? The earlier you start investing, the more your money's gonna snowball, okay? Compound interest, it's all about that. You know, with so many options out there, what is the best way to get started? Don't worry, we got you covered. Here are 5 smart investment options for young adults. It's not investment advice, it's for educational purposes only. So the first one is the stock market. Investing in individual stocks or exchange traded funds, ETFs, can give you high returns over time. It's a great option for long-term growth. The second one is Roth IRA. So this retirement account allows you to invest, basically allows your investments to grow tax-free, which is perfect for young adults who want to set themselves up for future financial freedom. The third one is real estate. So even if you don't have a lot of money, you can start investing in real estate through platforms that allow fractional ownership or real estate investment trusts. So, REITs. Number 4, high yield savings accounts. These accounts give you better interest than regular savings accounts and are a safe way to grow your emergency fund. The fifth one is cryptocurrency. So for those willing to take a bit more risk, cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Ethereum have seen significant growth in recent years. It's very volatile though, be careful. Starting early is the key. So with time on your side, you'll have the power to build a strong financial future. Don't wait, start investing today. And if you like these suggestions, leave me a like. I love you.